Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the Irish potato famine happened. It began with a devastating potato blight, a disease that rapidly destroyed potato crops across Ireland. This was catastrophic because potatoes were the primary food source for a large portion of the population. The blight caused widespread crop failure, leading to immediate and severe food shortages for millions of people. The repeated destruction of potato crops plunged Ireland into a severe crisis. Millions faced starvation, and diseases like typhus and cholera became rampant due to malnutrition and poor living conditions. The government's response was often seen as inadequate, exacerbating the suffering. This period marked a tragic chapter of immense human loss and hardship across the country. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, just like a well-planned pantry. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. The famine's impact was profound and long-lasting. Over 1 million people tragically perished, and another 2 million emigrated, drastically reducing Ireland's population. This mass exodus reshaped Irish society and culture, leaving an indelible mark on its history. The famine also fueled a strong sense of nationalism and calls for political reform in the years that followed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.